The back is mostly brownish yellow or grayish brown in color. The eyes are round and black. The limbs are short and thick, suitable for ground activities. It feeds on the roots, stems, leaves, seeds, and fruits of plants. It inhabits open areas such as grasslands, farmlands, and river valleys. It is good at digging holes and has the habit of hibernation. Every autumn, it stores food and hibernates in the hole during winter. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, share, and comment, and follow me.